Today you'll be using your drawing skills to create a landscape of the Savanna. Here are the materials you'll need. Good quality drawing paper, a regular pencil, a pack of oil pastels, and a paper towel for blending. You'll also need a little imagination and of course time to work. So let's look at a picture of the Savanna. Anytime you're doing a landscape, if you want the illusion of depth, you'll need to think about the three grounds: foreground, middle ground, and background. By using very light lines, I'm going to decide where I want the background to be, because that will show me where the sky is. I'll then pencil in the middle ground and anything in the foreground like trees. No matter which color you want to use for your sky, choose three that are close to each other on the color wheel. Like I'm using three different blues and I'm blending them in. Using one of my sky colors, in this case the middle blue, I'm going to find that pencil line I did in the first step and start to create a ridge of mountains in the distance. Since I know cool colors recede from the viewer, warm colors advance, I want my middle ground and foreground to get warmer and warmer as it comes closer to the viewer. So I've chosen three colors I think will do that. The great thing about pastels is that they cover each other very, very well. So if I've done my light colors first, I can easily draw right over them with my darker objects or plants or animals, whatever else you'll be drawing. I've drawn two trees here just to remind you that things that are farther away should be a little smaller. Things in the foreground and that are closer to the viewer should be larger. They should also have a little bit more detail too. I've made acacia trees, so I'm going to use two types of green, some yellow for highlight, and I'm going to use the complementary color to green, or the opposite color, which is red, for shadows and texture in the foreground tree. I'm paying more attention to the tree in the front because it's closer to the viewer. So I've used blue-green for texture of the bark, and I've also given the yellowish grass some texture by adding its complement, purple. And of course it wouldn't be a drawing of the Savanna without Kilimanjaro, so I'll use one of my sky colors to put him back there.